As I breathe new life back into this 72 Porsche 914, a couple of the things I wanted to spruce up a little bit were the targa top and the steering wheel. Both have shown extreme wear, fading, and just needed a little love put back into them and restore some of the color. So I started off with a good clean, used a degreaser to remove any of the buildup that's been caked on there through the years, get a good clean surface. Then went ahead and taped off the rubber trim down the side so I wouldn't get any excess paint on those. Once the surface was good and clean, I used this Sim prep spray, put a little bit on, wipe it off, doesn't leave any type of a film or a haze on there. It dries really fast as well. You can see here I've got a lot of blemishes on it. There's some places where some patches have been done as well, and it really shows with the faded paint. So that's sort of what brought me to this point of adding some new color back to it. So I went with the Sim color coat. Used this before on other pieces of the car. Turns out really well, especially with the prep spray. It bonds really well and gives a good even coating. I think through this process I did 3 or 4 coats. Each time I went from a different side-to-side motion to overlap my spraying. And you can see the first coat or two, it really soaked it into the fiberglass. So after I got all the coats on, here's a look at the finished product. You can see I probably need 1 or 2 more coats just to fill in the spots, but man, it's a massive transformation from how it started. Very happy with the results. Now, having finished the targa top, turn my attention to the steering wheel. Same thing here, the plastic's really faded. It's lost a lot of its luster. I did already take off the metal pieces and put a coat of gloss paint on those, and now turning my attention to the plastic horn button as well as the leather wrap on the steering wheel. Basically doing the exact same process here. Once I checked everything out and make sure I didn't have any damaged places beyond the point of repair, used the same cleaning process, then used the same Sim prep spray in order to get everything ready for paint to be applied to it, and then put on 3 or 4 coats, and you'll see the process here and we'll see how it turns out in the end.